Hi guys, Lady Locks here. So today I've got this EVVA DPI that I want to try to pick. You can see the bitting of the key there, and you can also see these little notches in the key. Those are to control a sidebar in there. This sidebar happens to be inactive on this lock. The only time it comes into play is if the lock is picked and the core is turned the entire way around. The sidebar will engage and it will get stuck like that. There is a way to get it out of that. There's a pin inside that you can push up, I guess, and that will disengage the sidebar and you can rotate your lock back around. But I'm not really sure how to do it. I've never done it, so I don't want to do it and get my lock stuck. So today I'm just going to pick it and we'll try to gut it and take a look inside. So I'm curious to see what is actually in here. It picks like there may be some spools in there. I'm using topic keyway tension. You can see that the warding on this one is terrible. This is a terrible lock for warding, but I am able to fit my monkey paw in there, and that is this. It's a standard size. I think it's 25 thousandths, so it is a fatter sized pick, but it does fit in there past the warding if you're careful. It probably takes me a little bit longer to pick it because I am using that pick, and a smaller pick probably would do the trick a little bit easier, but I do love the monkey paw, so I just have to take my time with it and make sure I'm not hitting the warding when I'm picking the lock. So each time I go to try to find a pin, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just checking around in here to find a pin and not warding. So let's see what we got. I usually go above that bottom piece of warding that's sticking out and find the pins that way. Just kind of slide my pick in above that piece and right underneath the pins, and you can usually stay on the pins the whole way back through the lock. I do have to wiggle it around a little bit to get to the very last pin in here. Alright, I lost my false set that time. Let's see. Number 5, nothing. Number 4, I got a click. I don't know what I did on number 3 there. Sounded like a click, but I think I was on the warding. No, I'm just checking for counter rotation. Alright, I think that was pin 2 I just set. And pin 3. Okay, so those 3 are totally set, and now I've got to find what is keeping me right at, I think, I want to say was number 4. I just got a tiny little bit of movement out of it, and I think that was number 4. So I think all that's left might be number 5. And that one's the hardest one to get to. The warding does kind of get in the way towards the back. So I'm just slowly going through and touching each pin to see if I can get any counter rotation. Because now that I've got the full set, I know there's a spool that needs to be set in here. Let's see if I can't get it. Right. Right back up to the front. One feels set. Two feels set. Well, guys, I don't know what's holding me up in here. Seems like pin 2 keeps dropping, so I think I overset something, to be honest. Let's try start all over again. Okay, I think that was pin 1. Gave me the full set. Alright, well, the second time I got around there, I got it open pretty quick. So, alright, that wasn't too bad once I tried again. Alright, so I'm going to try to get this for you guys. Let me try to back this up just a tiny bit. Alright, that should be good. Okay, lock it back up. Like I said, you definitely don't want to turn the core back the whole way around because you don't want to engage that sidebar. Got the clip off. And I tried just want to make sure you get a hold of the sidebar and everything else when you're pushing that through. Take the key out. Alright, pin 5 looks like there is a master wafer in there. There's pin 4. Three. 2 and 1. Alright, the sidebar is really in there and I don't really want to pull that out and mess with it, so, but I'll show you guys. There it is. And it seems like it's in there pretty good, so we're just going to leave it there. But let's have a look at the pins. You can see there was a master wafer in spot 6, or 5, I'm sorry. We got spot 5. You can see it right there. Oh, I'm sorry about that. There you go. Now you can see it. Alright. Now, let's see what we've got. 5. Whoops. Looks like it. Alright, there we go. And we're missing something, aren't we? Did I lose one? There we go. Sorry about that. That is, let's move these all down, because this one that I didn't get out was number 5. Okay, that was very strange. Wonder why that didn't, whatever. Okay, so here's the pins on this one. You can see I've got 3 really nice spools. Spots 1 and 2 is just standard. All the key pins are standard. I don't see any tapering or anything on there. And I've even got a master wafer in the 5th spot there. And 3 pretty nice spools. They are kind of, I'd say, medium shallow. They're not very deep spools. And it's strange that I got a giant falset when I hit that 1st and 2nd pin, being that they aren't really, they're not spools or anything. So, but anyways, okay, there you have it. That was the EVVA DPI. Pretty fun to pick. Didn't take too long. It wasn't actually too bad. You'd think with the wording on that it would be worse. Check that out. It's very spiky and yucky. But as you can see, when you look down that, you can see there's a giant spot where the pick easily gets into. I mean, just easily can get right through all that. So it's not a big deal to pick this one at all. It fits right in there. He said you have to do some wiggling around, but it does fit. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you do like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, have a great day.